If you're an entrepreneur or small business owner outside Canada and thinking of relocating here and moving your business or expanding into Canada, special program exists for you. We already have incredible video on this topic with thousands of views. You can watch it on our YouTube channel. It's dedicated to significant economic benefit-based work permit. It's LMIA-exempt work permit, and we, in this particular video, would like to dive in and describe 3 packages that we at Anyvisa have for entrepreneurs, how to proceed, what would be the best option for them, and we will start with description of each and give you some details of who may benefit from certain packages, how people can apply, and exactly what to expect upon arrival if you follow with one of those packages. If you already subscribe to our YouTube channel, you know that at Anyvisa we never offer what people call one-size-fits-all solutions. We always apply tailored approach. We analyze what exactly you're capable of and what will fit your expectations. Watch until the end. I will give you some juicy details about these packages that we present today. This package is for those entrepreneurs and small business owners who would like to open a new venture in Canada, starting from zero, based on own experience, according to own financial planning and investment options. Definitely benefit people who would like to start something new based on existing experience from abroad. Also, it's very important to know that business can be incorporated federally or provincially. By the way, if you want to know the difference, well, you can leave a comment below and we would love to address your questions. This is a fully guided, end-to-end solution that combines business structuring with immigration strategy. We help you design a business that is not only commercially viable, but also aligned with IRCC Significant Benefit Assessment Framework. Let's see what's included in this package from immigration perspective. What we included is pretty much we can structure in 6 particular points. Immigration focus, business structuring. It's very important to build your business according to immigration law, not vice versa. Because if you create something and then try to fit into immigration framework, it may not be very well accepted. Second point is critical, strategic planning toward permanent residency. After all, if your business is successful and you establish yourself here, do you think it would be a logical step for you to actually acquire permanent residency? That's exactly what we planned from the beginning. Full work permit strategy and application submission. That's exactly what we do at Anyvisa with a high level of experience and understanding of your particular needs, your family needs. Another point is very critical because sometimes different business consultants and different business lawyers suggest that they will file application. It's a piece of cake. We just go and file forms and send it. Not so much attractive for immigration representation because you have to be licensed by Immigration Canada, and we are licensed, certified, and insured, and we protect you all the way. Another point is critical for families: settlement and ground support. Of course, we're not talking about taking you by the hand and going through the store and show how much things cost. We're not talking about that settlement services that, for example, refugees get when they arrive, all devastated, have no money and means for support. Of course, that settlement service government providing on their own expense and at their own ability. We're talking about guidance towards settlement services on the ground when people go to schools, enroll kids, how they settle in certain communities, what to expect from certain locations logistically, or maybe economically, or maybe even ethnically. That's very important ground support, don't you think? And last but not least, we're talking about business introduction to banking, investment, real estate professionals, because you need all of those people to be in your ecosystem, because you need that ground support in terms of connections. This package is ideal if you value compliance, clarity, and definitely long-term planning. This package is uniquely suitable for entrepreneurs who would like to purchase existing business in the province of British Columbia where we're located. Why it's important to notice that we operate in British Columbia for the package with purchasing existing business? Because in the business of real estate, especially commercial real estate, it's not a matter of what you know, but who you know. We do have established long-term relationship with various business brokers, sometimes lasting over 20 years. That matters if you need a great due diligence and background check on existing businesses. This package is designed for applicants seeking a work permit based on active ownership and hands-on management of existing businesses. We work in partnership with very reputable Canadian business brokerages, investment firms, and other professionals who will help you to buy the business. In this specific package, we included 5 major points, and they are all immigration-oriented. First, immigration-focused review of your targeted business. Of course, it's critical to analyze what you're going to buy before you pay, right? Second point is equally important. Guidance on acquisition structure. It is important to understand what you're going to buy. Are you going to limit yourself to shares, or you want to buy assets as well? That's important. Significant benefits assessment. Well, that's a core structure of your potential application. If you fail on that, the whole business purchase can go down the drain and you can lose money. Many people do. Full work permit preparation and submission. Of course, that's our core expertise. We help you to succeed and we prepare everything before your application is submitted, and we supervise your package, represent you all the way through your PR. Access to experienced brokers, legal and accounting professionals. Well, without this kind of business introduction, without creating the ecosystem around your business, you will fail. I almost guarantee that. This option is absolutely incredibly fitted for those who would like to combine strategy of entering Canada by buying existing business with very thought-through immigration strategy. Sometimes we deal with entrepreneurs who already have acquisition plan in place or already have existing business operation in Canada. Well, in this case, we apply our assessment of their strategy from immigration standpoint, and we represent them before Immigration Canada. Well, in this package, we included 4 critical components: eligibility and significant benefit assessment. Of course, we have to start from that point, because otherwise, if it's not feasible, if it's not in compliance, what's the point to file an application, right? Second is review of client-provided business documentation. It's not about your intention. You already have a business. We need to see what you have, if it is in full compliance or in full coherent strategy and understanding of immigration officers, because they will probably dig into your business documentation too. Full work permit application and representation. Remember what I said, at Anyvisa we are licensed, certified and insured, and we fully representing clients before immigration. And last but not least, compliance check and refusal risk prevention. Well, that's what I say all the time. It's wise to learn from other people's mistakes, right? Not from your own. We present our experience all the way, all decades of servicing people like you, and that's why we have such a great success rate. Overall, this option works for entrepreneurs who are extremely confident in their business structure and need proper immigration representation with full understanding of your business needs. Well, answering this question, I can provide a couple very critical points. 1, you are here in Canada. Own, operate, and manage your own business based on LMIA-exempt work permit. Why? Because you're not competing with labor market. You're allowed to be here, and you can choose one of those packages that we just presented. Second thing is very critical. You establish your future transition into permanent residency by operating under this special work permit. And of course, It allows your family to be here, it allows you to build your future and future for your next generation. At Anyvisa, we totally understand. Every entrepreneur situation is different and success depends on strategy, analysis of background, and suitability of your personal desires and intents with immigration strategy. If you considering Canada as your business destination, the first step is critical: proper assessment of your specific, unique situation. We have incredible opportunity for you here. You can order consultation. You can find link in the description below. As always, share this video with someone you think may benefit from this. Like, subscribe to our channel so we can provide more interesting content for you and others. And stay safe by staying informed.